Looking through my window, you are my treasured rose. You may think I'm nosy, but I'm watching how your garden grows. I love the clothes you're wearing, you're always ahead of style. I like the bike you're riding, and I'll follow you for miles. Because I fancy you, because I fancy you, because I fancy you for me. You give me butterflies and I've lost my appetite. I've got a crush on you and I just can't sleep at night. I put my best clothes on when I go down to the shop, just in case I see you, 'cause I know my heart would pop. Because I fancy you, because I fancy you, because I fancy you for me. I have a can of Coke, and when I pull the ring, I hear the sound of wedding bells, and the birds come out to sing. I daydream that we are so in love. If I could wear you, then you fit me like a glove. I can't find the magic words to say. I guess it's a secret now, and that's the way it's gonna stay. Because I fancy you, because I fancy you, because I fancy you